Throughout history, Yoruba women have played pivotal roles as rulers, warriors, entrepreneurs, and activists. Their chronicles underscores their endurance, wisdom, and fearlessness. So, in this video, we will explore the lives of some remarkable Yoruba women, highlighting their achievements and acknowledging the complexities of their legacy. And for the rest of the week, I'll be posting about these remarkable women one by one. But if you can't wait and want to watch the full video, kindly check our YouTube channel at Edu History TV. The link is available in the profile. We'll be talking about Queen Moremi Ajasoro, the savior of Ile-Ife; Oniluwo Gbagida, the only female Oni of Ife; Princess Pupuku of Ondo, the founder of Ondo Kingdom; Alaafin Oronkotonin, the warrior queen of Oyo; Efunsetan Anewura, the powerful Iyalode Ile Ibadan; Madam Efunoye Tinubu, the business tycoon and kingmaker; Alimatu Pelewura, the fearless market leader; Funmilayo Ransome Kuti, the activist who fought for women's rights; Dr. Elizabeth Abimbola Awoliyi, the first female doctor in Nigeria. Now, let's get into it.